Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Felinda Sari with NPM 2341110. Today, I would like to invite you to discuss a topic that is very important yet often seen as complicated or even avoided by some people. Taxation. Especially, we will be talking about tax reformation in Indonesia. Why is this important? Because tax is the lifeblood of a nation's economy. Without tax, we would not have educated infrastructure, proper public service, quality education, affordable healthy facility, or social assistance for those in need. However, even though taxes are a vital source of state revenue, Indonesian taxation system still face major challenges. This is why tax reformation is not only relevant but also urgent to be implemented. Background of the tax reform. The tax reform in Indonesian system from the need to important various aspects regulation, administration, and public awareness. First, in terms of state revenue, Indonesian tax ratio is still relatively low compared to neighboring countries. This means that the contribution of tax to the gross domestic product is still not optimal, so the government must find ways to broaden the tax base. Second, in terms of complicated, many challenges remain, but individuals and companies still fail to report and pay tax properly, some due to lack of knowledge, no intentional avoiding it. Third, the development of technology and the digital era has drastically challenged economic transaction. Many economic activity now take place online, across border, and are deferred to their under the old system. Without reform, our tax system will be left behind and unable to accommodate this new reality. 4. There is a strong need to create a fair and transparent system. Should not burden the only group but should be shared proportionally according to each taxpayer capacity. Next, main objective of tax reform. Tax reform has there three major objectives. The first is to increase state revenue sustainability without overachievement by burdening lacers and closing loopholes for tax avoidance. The second is to important public trust and complete tax is not only a legal obligation but also a moral responsibility, understanding that what we contribute will return to use in the form of public facility and service. The three is to support healthy economic growth that should be designed not only as a source of revenue but also as a policy instrument. Retas, incentives, and regulation should be able to attract investment, encourage innovation, and maintain the competitive of national industry. In conclusion, tax reform is not an option, it is a necessity. It is a strategic step to ensure that Indonesia can financial development, achieve social justice, and face global challenges. Tax is not merely a number on a form or an annual obligation that will use down. Tax is your investment in the future. Every rupiah, or in this case every rupiah worth that we pay, if managed properly, will return to use in the form of better roads, better schools, more equipped hospitals, and high-quality public service. That you support tax reform by being law-abiding, critical, and social responsibility citizens. Because building this nation is a responsibility we all share. Okay, that's all the presentation. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.